Guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Titanosaurus from Godzilla. Now, make sure that if you guys are liking these videos, you are hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notifications so you can see whenever I post a new video. So, to start off with Titanosaurus, we're going to begin with his face. And we're going to start towards the top of the paper. And I'm going to start right here. And just very simply, I'm going to make a little curved line like this for the top of his eye. And then a little smiley face for the bottom of his eye. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up towards the eye, and then around it, and then behind it. Then, starting down here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes right around the eye like this for the eyebrow. Now, down here, I'm going to make a little bump for his nose. And then a line that kind of curves down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it around, make a few bumps, and then bring it down right here. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and loops around like here. And then I'm going to draw a line that just goes down and then kind of curves up for the bottom of his mouth. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line, just show where part of his mouth is. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of squiggles like this for his tongue. And then I'm going to just kind of redraw that shape. Then I'm going to draw some little bumps in here for some teeth on the top and the bottom. And then I'll draw a little line back here just to show where the back of his mouth is. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and around to show where his face is going to be. And then up here, I'm going to just draw a line that just kind of goes up and then down for the top of his head. Now, starting right here, he has these kind of long, almost like antenna things coming out of his head. So I'm going to draw one right here. And then I'm going to draw one right over here as well. Then, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that just kind of curves down like this for his neck. Then, starting here, I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of curve down, just so we can kind of figure out where his neck is going to be. Now, right up here, he has a little tiny ear, and almost kind of looks like a fish fin. So I'm going to make a few skinny lines coming out of here. And then I'm just going to make some curved lines in there just to show where his ear is. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw this line out just a little bit. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it around and then down like this just to show where his chest is going to be. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down just to show where the rest of his body will be. Now, let's draw his leg. Now, his legs are really bent. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes out and then back in like this. I'm going to draw two little lines like this just to kind of show where the leg bends. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and then curves down like this for one toe. And then I'm going to draw another one right here like this. Then I'm just going to draw a line that comes over here for the foot. Then I'm just going to curve this up to about here. And then I'm just going to make a curved line right here to show where the rest of his leg is. Now, over here I'm going to draw the other leg. So this one's going to be kind of pointing towards us. So I'm going to start by drawing a big curved line, almost kind of like a circular shape right here. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves in like this. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And then this foot's going to be kind of more facing us. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down for one toe. A line that curves down for another. And then I'm going to kind of put this toe over to the side like this. Then I'm just going to connect this line down here. So now what we want to do is we want to draw his arms. So I'm going to put the first arm over here. So I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then up like this. And then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves around, comes to a point, and then comes back. That's going to be for one claw. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then it's just going to curve around for another claw. And then right here I'm going to draw a line that goes out, it kind of curves around, and then comes back. And then gonna make a little curve here. And then a little line that comes down here. Now, over here, for this one, I'm going to start with the hands. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and then curves around for one claw. Then I'm going to make another one that just kind of curves around for another claw. I'm going to put the third one right here. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this line around to show where the hand is. And then I'm just going to draw a line that just goes around, and it's going to kind of curve over here like this, just to show where part of the arm is. Then I'm going to make a little curved line over here. And then a little curved line up here just to show where like the arm is, like, it's kind of bent out there. Then I'm just going to connect this line here. Now for the rest of his body. So starting over here by his arm, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then kind of curves to here. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that just kind of curves up. It's going to stay skinny towards the end, and then as we get closer towards the body, it's going to get bigger and bigger. Okay, so now we need to add a few of the important details on here. So going down his head, he's got like these fins. This guy's kind of like an aquatic titan. So starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down. And I'm going to keep drawing these all the way down the back of the neck. I'm going to make them get a little bit shorter as I move farther down. And I want to keep about equal space in between these. And I'll go right to about here. Then I'm going to put a curved line in between each one. just like this. And you're just going to put that curved line right in between each one of these. Then I'm going to make a few more of these lines coming out of his back. Get them a little bit smaller as they move towards the tail. And then I'm just going to do the same thing, put those little curved lines right in between them. Now, his tail is kind of different. He's got like a big fin on there. So I'm just going to put a couple little lines. There's some different ways to draw his tail. I'm just going to keep it kind of simple like this. And we'll put one more here, a little small one. Go small, medium, large. And I'm just going to connect each one of these like this, and then connect it to the end like that. So right now we have our basic drawing of Titanosaurus. Now we need to add all of the details, and there are a lot of them. So let's start with the head. So first, I'm just going to make a little dot for the nose. Then I'm going to add a little bit of a broken line kind of around his mouth. We'll give him a few extra lines around his jaw. Little line underneath his eye. Then over here on his neck, I'm going to add lots of these kind of lines that just kind of curve all the way around, just to show where his neck is kind of like bending. Then I want to give him a chest. So I'm going to draw a little curved line here. Then I'm going to go down and kind of curve around here. Then I'm going to make a curved line up here. And then we'll draw the other one kind of right around here. Now, he has these kind of plates that are going down his body. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to curve this down, bring it to a point, and then curve it back up here. This side's going to be a lot longer than this side. So let's do that again. I'm going to go down, curve in, come to a point, and then just go all the way to there. And then I'm just going to keep doing this all the way down his body like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line right down his tail. And then I'm just going to kind of curve some of these lines down here. Then on his claws, I'm just going to make some little curved lines for his claws. And then I'm going to do some on his toes. And then I'm actually just going to add an extra toe over here. That'll look better if we put one there. I'm going to add some curved lines on here just to kind of show where his kneecaps are. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes up here, and then I'm going to put a few curved lines in there just to show where there's some more plates at. Now, up here, I'm going to just kind of add some small kind of curved lines in between each one of these coming from different sides. Just to show that there are, different curves and stuff, that this stuff is moving and kind of twisting. Then I can add, like some curved lines onto where his claws are and his fingers. I'm going to add a couple little extra lines on this part of his mouth. Can add a few little broken lines kind of around his body just to add some little detail and stuff. And just some different spots around here. So now that we have this, one of the last things we want to do is he has lots and lots of little dots all over him. So there's two ways you can do it. You could either color these in with marker, or you could just use these, or you could just color them in with a black colored pencil. I think I'm actually going to do mine in colored pencil because they do have a little bit of shading to them, and I think if I do them in the shading, it'll look a little bit nicer. So, but once you guys see me doing it, you can decide how you want to design yours. So, there is your drawing of Titanosaurus. Like I said earlier, make sure if you guys are liking these videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.